Now we are doing the same thing, constructing a line parallel to given line through a given point, but the method has changed, that is the alternate interior angles method. Now what are alternate interior angles? They are nothing but when the two lines are parallel to each other and transversal is passing through the two lines, then we have the alternate interior angles. Now how do we depict it? For depiction I have made the two lines parallel to each other, that is you can see the two arrows and we have a line passing through these two parallel lines. So the line that is passing through is known as the transversal. We have the region between the two parallel lines as the interior region. So we have alternate interior angles. Now how to start? We have a line, we have a point not on the line. We are starting the same way, that is making a line passing through point P and meeting this line, right? And now we have this line made, so we can name the 2 points. We have the 2 points over here, the point from which the line is to be made and the other point where the line has intersected the given line. So we have this A and point B. Now we place compass on point A. With radius of our choice, we cut an arc on both the lines. Now after cutting the arc, you would notice that here we have the 2 points of intersections again, right? And you can start by naming them or you can just leave it as it is, because naming is for your purpose only. So I am not naming, I have just placed the compass directly on the B point with the same radius as it was for angle A. You make an arc but to the other side of the transversal, because we are making alternate interior angles. So here with naming as C and point D, and you can name this point as E. So we are going to measure this arc length now. The arc length has been measured by making an arc from point C, placing the compass on point E with the same arc on the radius of the compass. We can cut an arc on the previous one. Now we have cut the arc on the previous arc. We can name the point of intersection of both the arcs. Now that point can be joined with point B with the help of a ruler. Now when you join the two lines, 2 points rather, you would get a line segment that is going to be parallel to the given line that you had made earlier. So we have made this line now. This green line represents that we have made a line now passing through this point which was given to us. This point was not lying on the line segment. We have made this line passing through that given point, and this line is such that it is parallel to the given line.